has chosen for his speech is my first day in college. So, my first day in college, here comes Umesh.
Okay. This is not in college. Okay. Okay. Mr. Toastmaster friends, I went to college in Mumbai, which is an area near to like Beverly Hills in Hollywood here, with all the pre-models, models, kids of the stars and upcoming stars were going into the college, and along with them it was me. So I was in my first day. In India, the first year of college is very important because that's the time you choose your career. Parents are pressurizing a lot that you have to be very, very careful in the college. And then when I went college, I was told of 3 new exciting rules. Rule number 1, here you are no longer bound by your high school dress. You can dress anything you want. Now, rule number 2 is if you don't like a lecture or you don't like anything, you can skip and you can sleep, slow down, whatever you want. I was excited. And the rule number 3 is it's no longer a high school prison. You are no longer bounded by all the laws where you have, even if you are feeling hungry, you have to sit in the class, like going in the morning, coming in the late in the evening. You can go out and have a coffee or whatever you want. And I was very excited. With all this confusion, I was in my college my first day in the lecture. The lecture was going on well, slowly, and I was sitting with my friend Raj near me. And after about the first lecture was over, the group of guys were coming inside our class, and they were second year student, and they were doing something called as ragging. What is ragging is like the second year student, they dominate the first year student. They ask few questions, they want to ridicule or they want to make fun of the first year student for the first day. It's just the introduction. They try to act as a bossy. So they asked few people to stand up, and they were asking somebody to tell a story, somebody to tell a joke, and they asked my friend Raj to sing a song from a movie which was just yesterday released. So Raj was like, he stood up and he said that, I have not watched the movie. So the guy who was ragging him from the second year, he said that by the break you have to learn this and then you have to tell the song. So Raj was like, he didn't know what to say, he said okay. And then we were sitting. During the break, Raj met his senior cousin, Hari. Hari is in the final year, and he was telling Hari like, this is the problem. And Hari said, yeah, that's okay, it should work out. And during that break, those guys, they again came to us. Now Hari is somebody he looks very younger to us. He looks like, a high school student or younger to us. So Hari was among us. So those guys again came and they were asking us, like, they asked Raj, so Raj, did you memorize the song? I want you to sing a song now. And Hari was saying, now? So they asked even Hari to sing a song. So Hari said, excuse me? So then Hari flashed out his card like this, and he said that I'm in the final year. So they were all afraid that they were in the second year, he was in the final year. And then Hari in turn asked them to sing a song. So it was like, it was up till break. So I was like just going on with what's happening. So after the break, I thought, let me apply the rule number 2, which is like taking a break, if I don't like the lecture. But I was seeing all the guys were like dressing up, they were combing their hairs. I was not sure what's going on. I said, let me first go to this class and then take a break. So I said, let's go to this class. So inside the class, when I went and sat, there was Ma'am Julie, which was coming in. So Ma'am Julie is like beautiful, like Angelina Jolie, with her high heels, she was coming, and all the guys were with eyes wide open, they were like just focusing on Miss Julie, whatever she was saying. And all were enjoying the lecture as if like there was some show going on. And I was following the culture of the college. After that lecture was over, I understood that before applying the description of rules, I should know all the professors and the whole culture of the college. Like, otherwise I would have missed that whole thing. But after that, I said, let me take the break, go to a coffee by applying the rule number 3. If I am hungry, I can go and get a coffee or anything. I was going for a coffee, and when I was coming back, I was in front of a wall here and I was standing. What I saw, but there were 2 beautiful models, like Victoria's Secret model. They were coming in, and everybody was watching at them, including me. After some time, it became more dynamic. I saw them walking towards me. My heart was pounding, I was just looking at my dress and everything, it was everything good. They were coming a little closer to me. I recollected my friend, he's saying, when you're meeting a beautiful girl, you have to introduce yourself. My name is Umesh, what's yours? So all those things were going on in my mind, and they were coming closer and closer. My heart was pounding. As soon as they approached 2 feet near to me, I was about to say, my name is Umesh, and she just looked at the wall nearby. There was a notice board there, and she came to read the notice, and I stuck to reality. After that, I went back to my class and was enjoying the first day over. After that is over, I still follow the 3 rules which I learned. First is, wherever I go, I dress whatever I want. Rule number 2 is, if I don't want anything, I just skip it over. And rule number 3, if I don't like anything, or if I want to eat something, I even go and have it. Now the headmaster is my wife, but still I follow my rule number 3. Okay, Mr. Toastmaster.